Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. By the way, if you're new here and you find this content useful, please subscribe, please ring the bell so you get updates for our notifications, and please share our content. We're trying to grow the channel. Thank you for everyone who's already done that. Going over a request for Square SQ. So, some of these stocks I just don't do all the time because I don't have enough time to do it unless producing YouTube videos was my full-time job, which is not, but I'm trying to help as many people as possible, just as we are all here at Pat Trading Partners. There was this double top. Hope everybody noticed it. See, this fits into our parameters, did the projections, which gave first level 121.16, then profit taking 119.06 and 116.97. You see coming down at 116.97, spiking way down below it, but then closing. We also have a significant level at this 118.59 level. Closing just above there, then holding between our two significant levels, 124 and 118.59. Let me take off these right now. Let's clean up the chart. So that's what we'll be watching for next week. If we get above 124.01, you can just go off 124, then we'll be watching for a return to around 130.85, and then to the most recent swing high. This is a perfect location also to do a reverse Gann box, okay, if we do continue up. This is still looking a little weak, but doesn't matter. We just trade the price. So here's that reverse Gann box, which gives us above 133.84, 136.53, 139.34, and major level 146.50. If we do break down below this 118.59, you can even round that down to about 118.50. On that should be on a closing basis. Let me zoom in here. I don't care if it dips below it unless you're trading very short-term charts and you're going to react very quickly. I'm watching for a key close below there, and if we do, then I'll be targeting the 50 period exponential moving average coming at about 111.65. Let's take a look at that daily chart. Remember, daily always more important. So I said 111.65, 113.90 is the bottom of the rotation zone on the daily. So that's the key level I'd be using before that 111.65. I'd be using 113.90, essentially 114. So on any breakdown, you still have that key support coming in at 114. The rotation zone still favors it. You know, the long side, it is closing within it, so it is weakening a bit. What would change that opinion is that close above 124.01. By the way, the rotation zone on the 4-hour has gone flat due to consolidation, so we're just ignoring it. So this is neutral. 4 hours neutral. Daily is still minorly bullish, and weekly is still bullish, but you see here, it is overextended from the rotation zone still, and it will come back in contact, whether it pauses here and lets the rotation zone catch up, or whether we sell off if we did sell off to reconnect with the rotation zone. Right now you're looking at approximately about 106 area. That's what we have for you on Square, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.